Remember this, God's plan is always the best. Sometimes the process is painful and hard. Pero, huwag mong kalimutan that when God is silent, He is doing something great for you. We need to be patient. Learn to wait and know that His will ang dapat masunod. This time, matuto tayong maghintay and don't rush anything. Patiently waiting for His perfect timing. Maniwala ka na kapag para sa'yo, He will make a way to make it happen. Trust in the Lord. God allowed Peter to fall in the water, but He didn't let him drown. God allowed Daniel to be thrown in lion's den, but He didn't let him eaten. Aalisin ka ng Diyos sa iyong sitwasyong kinalalagyan. Kailangan mo lang ng matibay na pananampalataya and stop doubting Him. Ipahinga mo na yung isip at puso mo. Allow God to take over. Ipaubaya mo na kay Lord lahat ng inaalala mo. Kasi may mga bagay talaga na hindi natin kontrolado.